In my today video, I'd like to tell you about an extremely ambitious and large-scale project, the developers of which are aiming to revolutionize the VR industry world by using blockchain technology in particular. This project is called Netvrk. At the moment, it's only being developed and has already successfully completed IDO on 3 platforms at once. But when development is finished in the future, Netvrk will become a global platform with extensive functionality. Anyone can try themselves as a creator of VR content on the Netvrk platform. It can be games, videos, and so on. In order to do this, the Netvrk team is building a special development environment based on the Unreal Engine, which will natively support computers, smartphones, and all the VR glasses and helmets popular models. In addition to simplifying the creation of VR content, the Netvrk team also has a goal to provide the community with many models for effective monetization of this content. This will be carried out both by the methods of centralized business, advertising, donations, paid subscriptions, and many more, and by the blockchain industry methods, NFT tokens minting, staking, earning on the price growth of native Netvrk tokens, and so on. Thus, Netvrk will presumably be able to take the VR industry to a new level, not just by creating popular and VR content that is now in demand, but by making it possible for everyone to create it independently. After all, the VR market is an extremely promising niche, which already amounts to millions of dollars and has an audience of almost 100 million users. But the key problem of this market is the lack of diverse and high-quality content due to the complexity of its creation. Can you imagine why the average user would buy expensive VR glasses if they can use them in literally a couple of dozen similar games? And Netvrk will just solve this problem. But this is concerning the general plans of this project, and we are more interested in Netvrk investment and economic potential, which is also quite great. The internal economy of the Netvrk project will be built on the eponymous ERC20 token, minted on the Ethereum blockchain but with sidechain and Layer 2 solution support. The Netvrk token can be used to buy assets within the virtual reality world you are in. Assets can include buildings, vehicles, houses, along with many others that will be found in the Netvrk marketplace. Moreover, there will also be a staking function available for it. And at the moment, the Netvrk token is already traded on the Uniswap decentralized exchange, having passed a successful IDO on May 21st, which took place on 3 popular launch pads that are Boundly, PoolZ, and TrustPad at the same time. Moreover, the IDO data from Netvrk caused a heated response among investors. For example, the whitelist of potential buyers on the TrustPad has featured more than 1.8 million addresses. And despite it being young, the Netvrk token already has showed quite good economic indicators. Almost $1 million liquidity, a daily trading volume of several $100,000, and a price increase by 12 times in the first half an hour after its listing. And now the Netvrk price has slightly changed and you can be in time to buy them profitably before there happens a new possible growth. Along with the Netvrk token, there will be other assets in the ecosystem of this project. These are TAE tokens called Land at Least, which depict the plots of virtual land in the digital worlds created in Netvrk. These tokens are not traded anywhere yet and their sale will take place in the nearest future, so you have time to prepare for it in advance. Especially taking into consideration that the number of NFTs is limited, only 10,000 will be available for sale. And I assume that they will be sold out very quickly, and their price will grow very sharply in the secondary market. Even more so, the Netvrk project has a large number of well-known partners, including the firm Netvrk DeFi project, which is a key partner of Netvrk developers. Besides, the Netvrk code base was audited by one of the most reputable audit firms, Netvrk. So the potential of Netvrk is really very great, and I highly advise you to pay attention to this project.